Hello and welcome to this how-to guide. It is about the mb.com Pampered CMS. The focus of this tutorial is about configurable pages. What you have here is the home page. Here is editorial tag page, and here is a category page. The common thing about these three pages is that they are all configurable pages. On all configurable pages, the default behavior is that they are automatically populated by boxes, and the home page is populated automatically with the most recent content published on the site. The editorial tag page is automatically populated with all content and all products items associated to the tag, and these boxes are ordered by publication date. And finally, the category page is automatically populated with the most recent content that has been published in this specific category. Now, these pages by default are in a state that we call automatic. What does this mean? It means that there is an algorithm that will take care of the display for you. And for the home page, it is done here in the presentation details. You will see that there is an algorithm embedded in a control, and the control is called the box aggregator, which is this one. This box aggregator is found on the two other pages as well. It is found also on the category pages, which are here at the site level: pregnancy category page, newborn care, development and key milestones, sleep and play. And they are also found on the subcategory pages, which are here, respectively. Now, let's have a look at one of these. We took the example of sleep and play. So, the category page for sleep and play, the category sleep and play page has the content aggregator. Let's look at the presentation details. And it is found in here. So the box aggregator is here. And it will be the same one for the tags as well. Let's take a look at this page. We have the box aggregator for the tags as well here. So back to the sleep and play category, presentation details. Okay. Actually, I'm taking the sleep and play category page as an example, but it is the same for all three of them. Okay. If we take a look at the box aggregator here, this one is responsible for pushing up the boxes on the page, and the ordering is very important here. Okay. Now, if we wanted to make the sleep and play page become semi-automatic, which is the second state, what we would have to do is add controls to the presentation details, and we must ensure that these controls end up before the box aggregator. Okay, let's go to the page and see what we can do to start configuring it, that is making it semi-automatic. Let's take this piece of content, for example. If I wanted to configure it so that it appears as the first item on this page, okay, I would go ahead to the presentation details. From the presentation details now and the controls, you would add an article box right before the box aggregator. So add article box. Now we need to put it in the same placeholder, ph main body content. So it's ph dash main dash body dash content. Okay. and select. As I said, it must be before the box aggregator, so we move it up and then we edit it to specify the size 3, and then to specify which article or which piece of content you want to appear in there. Search for content. Okay, I know that the article reads 4 things you need to know. Sorry, 4 things you need. So this is the one. Select it and say OK. So it goes right through the bucket here, content repository, and then I just have to click OK. So that's it, I'm done. Now the consequence is that there will be one box of size 3 always on top of this category page, and then the box aggregator will push in 19 other boxes for me. So there, you will publish this, publish the site, finish, and the result is that we should see this piece of content going all the way up here, being the first one. Refresh. There you go. Okay, and then the box aggregator took care of inserting other pieces of content for me automatically. So that's why we call it semi-automatic. I manually stated that I wanted to have this one always being first, and then the box aggregator kicks in and takes care of the rest for me. Now, coming back to our page, the third state is manual. This is very easy to understand. Back to the presentation details. Edit. Controls. So what does the manual state mean? It means that if when rendering the page there is 20 boxes or more than 20 boxes defined here before the box aggregator, then the box aggregator won't render any more boxes. That is, I have manually defined all of the 20 boxes. As a recap, automatic would be having a box aggregator here on its own, taking care of everything for us automatically. Semi-automatic would be having between 1 and 19 boxes defined in a specific order here, and then the box aggregator will take care of pushing in the remaining boxes. And finally, manual state would be to have 20 boxes defined in a specific order here, and the box aggregator won't have to do anything because we have manually defined all our boxes. That's it. Okay, and the result will be here depending on what we did in the presentation details. Thank you.